Mercedes S55 compressor V8. We're going to show you guys what's on it before we start cutting. Factory converter. Then secondary converters with 2 H pipes, one here and one here. And then 2 factory resonators there, and then a stock mufflers there. It's the AMG package, compressor supercharged. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut right after the converters, right there. Delete this H pipe and delete the 2 resonators on it there and there. And add a true flow 3-inch in, 3-inch out X pipe. We'll show you guys a link in the description for it, right here, true flow. All right guys, so stay tuned. We'll let you hear it after and see it out. All right guys, so we got this sexy AMG lowered. Look at that. That's a nice stance on that AMG. Mercedes S55 compressor AMG. Got that V8 supercharged power. Let me show you guys what we did on it. Factory converter. Then it's got an H pipe before, 2 secondary converters. It had an H pipe after, but we cut it out and put an X pipe in its place right there. He's gonna come back and we're gonna take these cats out and put 2 high flows in their place. But for right now, this is what we just did. We did a resonator delete for him and 3-inch pipe in its place. So we took that, we added an X pipe, 2 3-inch pipes, and then the 3-inch pipe continues from the factory. And it's got the original AMG mufflers out the back on this side and this side for now. And it's got that sexy AMG tips to finish it up there and there. So stay tuned guys, we're gonna let you guys hear it. What's on it before. There's that little H pipe that we took out. And there's the pipe, it was all dented up and crunched so it fit. We took all that out and cleaned it up for him. Took those mean resonators out, they were too quiet. So we opened it up. Stay tuned guys, we're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. That's awesome. Yeah, it needs long tubes. Are they a pain to do? Heavy nose. Wow, this sounds good. Here's sound decibels. It's still too quiet. It's right at 91. It's really quiet. These cars are so comfortable to drive with nothing but raw power in them. Dude, they're insane how fast they are. Look at this sucker. I love the lowered look on it. It looks so good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Too much, just clean. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels again. 95. Again. That sounds really nice. You want to keep the old muffler?
I don't need it. If you want it, you need it.
We throw them away. Again. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. That's awesome. Yeah, it needs long tubes. Are they a pain to do? Heavy nose. Wow, this sounds good. Here's sound decibels. 91. It's really quiet. I don't know if you guys saw that X5 we used to have, the blue one on the channel. We have. There it is. That sounds good. Wow. That's nice. I don't know if this camera gives you guys justice, the mic. It's so deep. Don't you guys hear the sound decibels? About 96, 97. It's not bad. It's quick. Enjoy, guys. That's AMG, baby. It's quick. Enjoy, guys. 2002 BMW M5. That sounds sick.